The latest developments on the budget on the live page on the BBC News website. That's at bbc.co.uk/budget. Time now for a look at the weather with Lucy Martin. Hello.
Thank you, Sophie. Good afternoon. A lot going on in the weather over the next few days. This morning already some heavy rain from northwest England, southern Scotland. Have seen some localised flooding in Cumbria. As we move through this afternoon then, we've got rain from Northern Islands, much of Scotland, Wales and northern England. A bit drier and brighter in the east though, but windy for England and Wales. Gusts of up to 70 miles per hour on exposed coast, 50 miles per hour inland. And so that means that as we go through rush hour with strong winds and heavy rain, there could be some slightly tricky driving conditions. As we move through this evening and overnight, then that rain works its way east. Some heavy bursts, the odd rumble of thunder for England and Wales, and in the far north of Scotland, the rain will turn to snow as we move into the early hours. A fairly mild night in the south still, temperatures in the double figures, but temperatures in the north much closer to freezing. So here we are tomorrow morning, some snow for the north of Scotland to lower levels, a couple of centimetres, but over high ground we'll see greater accumulations than that. A cool start to the day here as we drag in some colder air from the north. And there will be some scattered showers for Northern Ireland, southern Scotland and northern England that could be a bit wintry in nature as well, particularly over high ground. A lot of dry, bright weather for much of central and southern England and Wales, although it will turn a bit cloudier later from the southwest with rain pushing in later. Lighter winds than today as well, and we will see the snow in the north turning to rain as we move into the afternoon. Temperatures in the south, though, still in the double figures, highs of 14 degrees Celsius. Cooler, though, in the north, and by the time we get to Friday, we are firmly in that colder air mass, so we are going to see colder temperatures across the board. The only slight fly in the ointment is this weather front, a bit of uncertainty as to exactly how far north that will come, but it will bring some cloud to the far south and some outbreaks of rain. So a cold start on Friday away from the far south. There will be a touch of frost, plenty of brightness around though, and a few wintry showers. Cloudier in the far south though, with some outbreaks of rain pushing in from the southwest later. Temperatures across the board largely back in the single figures though. Sophie.
Lucy, thank you. And that is all from the BBC News at 1. It's good.